today's adventure in DIY, well, most likely this week's adventure, redoing the floor in my mother's bathroom. We had concrete under the tile, and so we had to tear all that up, and that's why there's all that white residue on the floorboards. You know, toilet, sink, all that out. And I'm gonna put down an underlayment and plywood, and then mother wants a vinyl laminate on top of that. So we're gonna get to work on that. This is going to be a very snug fit. So. Can you lift your end? No, I mean, with your...
Oh, down here?
Yeah. Okay. Plus.
The molding here?
Yeah.
I could take the molding out. that tight. Looks good, Dave.
Okay,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
kind of because it's convex.
Okay.
I guess.
I'll stand in the middle.
Yeah, you stand right there. Yeah, I definitely feel it pulling down. Okay. Going in.
Oh, wow. Good fit?
Yeah, it looks like the cut was mostly accurate. The problem seems to be that it caught up on here. But
Yeah, looks like a pretty good fit.
there we go. We got most of this. We got a awfully snug fit here. Look, I was about a quarter inch too short there. Anyway, the rest is fine and dandy. Tomorrow we do the closet piece. Okay, off camera we put filler on knots and countersunk countersunk screws and whatnot. The seam, we got wood filler, basically to even out the transition. The actual gap between the boards, as you can see, is negligible. Other unevenness, as you can see, this side is higher than that side by, again, like a 32nd of an inch. This side's higher than this side. This side's higher than that side. But that makes a seamless transition. Generally speaking, it's a pretty good fit. Oh, this is extremely easy to cut. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, there we go. First cut of the day. Yeah. Oh shit, I don't want to get blood on the vinyl. Can you go get a Band-Aid? Or a paper towel or something? I said first cut of the day because chances are there's gonna be more. I didn't include it in the video for Chateau de Flip. I believe it was part 1. I cut myself, and so what I did, because I was getting blood on the plexiglass, what I did was I wrapped a paper towel around my finger, and I picked up some scraps of painter's tape off the concrete. I kind of put those on, and I went back to work. If I made a blooper reel, that would be on it. Okay. Here we got. Any gaps you see are going to be covered by molding, vent, toilet, you name it. I think I did a good job. Decent job at least. Thank you for watching the bathroom reflooring project on the DIY with Dave D YouTube channel. Thank you to Duane D, the man who was working with me, my father. And an extra special thanks to our expert consultant, Bill D. Answering questions and whatnot. He has a good bit more experience.